Oh, greetings. Mike here with the administrators. Hey, we've been sitting around in this freezing cold weather. I'm finally getting out. Haven't been out for days. Anyway, it was so pretty. Still cold. I think it's only 12 or 15 degrees. I know my heater ain't liking it. Anyway, we just sit around and learn new stuff, or do our best to learn new stuff. Check out other channels. Hear what they have to say on things I like to talk about, think about, delve into. You know, yesterday was Martin Luther King Day. I didn't put up a video. You gotta milk it for when you can, you know, you gotta milk it. Martin Luther King. Baby's milk, you know. He gave it to you as simple as he could. Con leche. Anyway, sí, señor. Habla español? Poquito. I've been trying to learn a little Sanskrit. Shani is the sun. Shani is a tribe. Shani is Saturn. I've explained this so many times. I don't know if people don't believe me, don't want to believe me, don't want to acknowledge it, or what. But we'll review. Let's just review. Damn it. DMT. Damn it. DMT. Damn it. Dalit Mem Tav. Oh. Maybe not a Tav. It's definitely the Dalit and the Mem. The Dalit is the door. Mem is Mary. Miriam, the wave. Maritime. Aquafina. Turning water to wine. Yeah, first miracle. You know, a port is a fortified wine. So, anyway. And it's the marriage ceremony for the first miracle, you know, the symbology here. The wedding ceremony. And the bulls, you know. Popeye explains it really well. Because, see, Bluto the bully. The bull is the Taurus. In your mind, in your brain, you have two Taurus fields. They look the same from an atom to a galaxy. You've seen them. A little pinwheel looking thing. Taurus field. Anyway, you get to steer. Did you hear me? You get to steer. Now, you can drive a car. You can steer a steer. Wait a minute. Steer a bull. I think you steer a bull. Anyway, you got to steer that Taurus, that bull, from the left hemisphere into the right. That's the marriage. That's steering the tornado, okay? Can you steer the tornado? I can. Steer the tornado from the left to the right. That's led to gold. Gold is ore is light. Gotta know a little Hebrew. Figure this out. Piquito Hebrew. That would be Yod. A little bit. Yod, Yoda. Smallest character in the Hebrew language. Yoda. Yod. Duh. It's so fun once you see you cannot not see. I don't know how the Nazis can do it, you know, because see, they don't have the transformed mind. There's the problem. Yeah, you might have third eyesight, but you did not go the next step, the next chakra, the crown chakra, for the transformed mind. See, the world will be destroyed by fire, but it's the flame of a transmutated mind. The earth will not be scorched. The scorcher. Well, that's the dog star. The dog star is serious. I'm serious. That's Orion's dog. Orion's dog even has a pup. So, there you go. There you go, cat. See, cat. See a left dog? Dog is God and dogs. Oh, there's 3 crows. What's the difference in a blackbird and a crow? About 1.5 pounds. Anyway. Where are we at? Well, we're always between the A and the T. I know it's improper grammar. Where you at? Where you at? But you're always between the Aleph and the dog. Oh, back to the DMT. The T is Sadeh. That's the mate of Aleph. Aleph's the strong one, the ox. Mem Aleph is strong water, and that's water to wine. That's DMT. So we're back to DMT again. The solid rock on which to stand is the pineal gland. See, piezoelectric stimulation causes that crystalline structure to stand up in a line. This in turn causes the endocrine system to produce and flood the cerebral spinal fluid with dimethyltryptamine. And this is the fantastic voyage. This is the trip. Everybody's looking for the trip. You know, the trip, the honeymoon. DMT's the honey of the promised land. Serotonin's the milk. Sarah, que Sarah, Sarah. Cerebrum, and cerebellum. The cerebellum is the bull, the beast that must be sacrificed to leave these little animals alone. You know why the cow is so holy and sacred? Don't myth raw, but you know, they have emotion, incredible emotion. You look into a cow's eyes, you know, there's a lot of love in there. It really is. And then, you know, calf breath, heck, that's as good as puppy breath. Come on. Baby's breath. So, Breaker 19, you got your ears on? Breaker 19. Get you on the flip-flop. Yeah, there's some old movies that I really think people need to see. Too bad you can't see Death Takes a Holiday. That was the original Meet Joe Black. I believe it was destroyed in a fire. See, I think a lot of things have been destroyed because they don't want you to see the original version, because the original version has so much more depth. It says so much more than some of these new watered down versions, that they even changed the subplots, sometimes the plot. Yeah. Oh, that definitely happened with Cinderella. I understand it's happening with a lot of the new Disney productions. Yeah, I used to watch Disney every Sunday evening, you know. It seems like it was on right after maybe Lawrence Welk. Mom had to watch that. But Bonanza was on in there somewhere too. The Ponderosa? Yeah. Like a fire. It's a rosé though. You got your box of wine. Yeah, you can get it by the box. Box load. Give me a box more load without wine. I need a Sauvignon. Whatever. We can't even remember some of these wino names. See, Yahweh, Yeshua, the Christ, he was a vintner and a sommelier. Yeah. Turning that water to wine. Yeah. That's an easy miracle, it really is. If your teacher, your preacher can't teach it to you, you're in the wrong spot. Yeah, you'd be in the wrong spot. Anyway, here we are. We're going across one of the bridges at Keystone. See the keystone, the capstone? So I'll get stone. That's your pineal gland. The little rock. The little rock. Yeah. What else about that little... Oh, yeah. See, it's like sand until utilized, and it gets hard as a rock. You know, it stands up in lines, all that good stuff. You know, there's a hymn, bringing in the sheaves, we shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves. Well, that's a lot of work. But now, to be bringing in Shiva, ding, 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 bringing in Shiva, Hong Kong, bringing in Shiva, doesn't require that. It's a whole lot of nothing, you know. Yeah, take no thought. Take no thought. That's meditation. It's not what you think. See, meditation is not what you think. It's not what you think. We communicate with our creator in the theta mental state. To be carried, I said carried, onto delta is bliss. You know, you meet the delta lady. And then on to gamma, which are gamma rays, is the fantastic voyage into the infinite cosmic realms. See, Yeshua was in the temple at 12, which means all young people, all children, should be in the temple at 12 or before. That's how it is. It's just how it is. Anyway, I'm kind of here where I need to be, where I'm going, where I'm headed. But I'll be back with more. We will return. Got your returns? We got more explaining to do for the Rishi. For the Riki. Yeah. You'll see. At a ball watching her.